The Maruti XL6 features an Android-powered infotainment system that can be updated through two main methods: over-the-air updates and USB updates. This system receives regular updates for software patches, map data, and feature enhancements. OTA updates are delivered wirelessly through the car's connected app or directly via the infotainment unit. They are perfect for software patches, map refreshes, and adding new features, and are free for the first 2 years on eligible models like SmartPlay Pro Plus or SmartPlay Studio. USB updates involve downloading update files from Maruti's official website and installing them manually via a USB drive. This method is reliable, especially in areas with poor connectivity, and typically takes 30 to 60 minutes. For both update methods, ensure your vehicle is in park with the engine running. As of late 2025, the system operates on Android 11, with Android 13 upgrades planned. Wireless connections are available on 2023 and newer models, including fixes for connectivity issues. Infotainment updates include map refreshes from Here Technologies, enhancing accuracy in cities, and updating points of interest. Staying updated ensures optimal navigation in India's rapidly changing road infrastructure. Updates also maintain compatibility with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, fixing issues like audio lag and ensuring seamless wireless connectivity on newer models. Remember, OTA updates require a stable internet connection, while USB updates need manual file transfer. Before any update, ensure you have a valid warranty subscription and avoid system modifications. To avoid issues, download files from the official Maruti Suzuki portal and nowhere else. Check your current software version in Settings, System, About to verify successful updates. If problems arise, contact an authorized service center.